good people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Mikali aka Yelelu. So guys, I'm just from Nyama. Yeah, I'd gone to have brunch from there, and guys, I wasn't able to vlog like while talking because there was a birthday that was going on upstairs. So definitely, and they had music, and you know, music plus copyright issues, no, that's not what we want. But guys, I'll just show you. I'd gone to do a review, so looks like it's an awesome place. The meal is so nice. Kwanza, when the chicken was presented to me, gosh, that was nice presentation. I liked it. Yeah, and I did want her drink, so I took just watch to see what I took, guys. Yeah, and all in all, what I can say, this is a nice place. As I leave this place, I will recommend anyone to come again and again to have their meal here or brunch. So just a quick one, this place is located at Westlands. If you're coming from town, just alight at Delta, but if you're coming from maybe other routes, the landmark is Naivas Westlands here. So hope you enjoy the video, and you can request for more places that I can go and review for you.